Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Mr. Vintage and welcome to my gameplay review of the 1 to 144th scale high-grade Seraphim Gundam, the artist mobile suit from the Season 2 of the Gundam Double O. This high-grade consists of only 2 runners, 1 set of polycaps, a small size sticker sheet, and a manual. This is a very easy kit to begin with only 2 main runners. What can you expect? It is very straightforward but very interesting build because of the unique features of this kit, which I will touch upon later. As you can see, it is a very tiny Gundam, just because it has to be tiny to fit on the back of the Seraphim Gundam. Let's move to the unique features of this Gundam, aside from the size, and that is the chest. The chest is on the default look right now, but what is unique into this is that it can slide down to reveal the Gundam head-like chest, and that's what is called the face burst mode of the Seraphim Gundam. And what's only the negative aspect of this kit is, again, the colorless clear part. It's really easy to paint, but again, it's nice to have a already colored clear part. Now, let's move into the articulation, and I must say, it has a nice articulation than I expected. Let's start at the head. The head can give us a great up and down movement, side to side movement, and a full rotation. Next, the arms all the way up. Arm can rotate. The shoulder armor can flap. Bicep swivel. Elbow joint, kinda limited, and the hand is on a ball joint. Wait, it's not. Actually, the hand is on a peg that can attach to this hole on the forearm, which can limit us on the hand movement, but it's actually helpful because this Gundam can wield the GN Bazooka 2 of the Seraphim Gundam with ease and no problem of hand sagging off because the weight of the weapon. So for me, it's fine. Next, on the chest part. Yes, as I told earlier, the chest can slide down to transform. This clavicle fin can also move, but the down point is that there is no ab crunch and side to side movement with this Gundam. Let's move to the skirt. The front skirt and the side skirt is on a ball joint, and the back skirt, there is no back skirt. Next, the legs all the way up. Great. The legs all the way to the back, and it's absolutely great. Also, the knee bend is great, and also the foot bend and the foot side to side. So, no doubt Gundam Seraphim has a very nice articulation, which can help to pull up some great poses. But maybe you're wondering why it has this very over-the-top leg articulation. If you don't still know by this time, is that because this Gundam can transform into the Seraphim backpack itself. Let's make a side-to-side comparison between the included backpack on the high-grade Seraphim Gundam and the actual Seraphim itself. And now, this is the Seraphim Gundam with everything that it comes with. This Gundam only comes with 2 beam sabers, 1 long and 1 short. It's the standard beam saber with clear pink and white handle. But as the Seraphim Gundam received an upgrade on the anime, the same with this Gundam. So now, this is the Seraphim Gundam with the GNHWB expansion pack. And that's the GN beam machine gun and the GN particle container. And actually, I incorporated the bazooka of the Seraphim Gundam to this. I painted it black to match the color of the Gundam. And this is my preferred look of the Seraphim Gundam. It removes the plain appearance on the normal form. And for me, it makes it much cooler. Again, as I mentioned earlier, this is not a big Gundam just like the others. It is kinda small. So, let's make a size comparison between the high-grade Gundam Nudley, H1 Spallow, Petite Guy, and the Seraphim Gundam itself. So, that's the Seraphim Gundam. It may be small, but the amount of details and movability of this kit give it a different advantage on the other Gundams. Not to mention the cool chest design and the very sleek upgraded look. So, overall, this Gundam is great and very interesting. Not much to say. Thank you for watching. See you on the next review.